I'm currently in year 12 doing system engineering, vehicle competition, vet engineering, vet automotive, and English. And I chose these specific subjects because they will help me into achieving one of my big goals in life. Since I was young, I got involved with my grandpa and my uncles because most of them are mechanics and electricians. So I got a mix of a bit from here and here. And that what gets me through liking engineering actually. And the first project that I made that actually made me love engineering was Net Kelly helmet, and that was the hook. That's a CNC laser. We can use it to engrave through wood or to write on any material, but this is especially for wood. The main reason that I built this is because we moved into a new house and we want a little bit different taste of decoration. So what I'm going to do is place it on the wall, draw a really nice picture, and it's got a really big size, working area size. So I could draw really nice pictures and different designs on the wall just to design them. So the time that I spent on this from the beginning, from thinking into designing into building, is about 5 weeks in total of every day 2-3 hours on it. There's millions of CNC lasers on the internet, but first thing, they are really expensive. Second thing, if they are cheap, they are really bad quality and they probably small. And the actual reason that I built this for myself is so I can get the right sizes that I need and the experience from it. So anyway, because I have to do something for system engineering, project for system engineering, so I thought I'll make something that will be benefits for me and cheap and a smart way to do it. And now that I completed this project, I can finally move on, and my next project is going to be based on this project. So what we'll do is we'll make a second story at the top of it, and at that side will be a 3D printer, and at this side will be a CNC cutter, and that will be like a whole working station.